Hey there friends, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to back up your projects in ChatGPT. So it's a really easy process and only takes a few clicks. All you want to do is sign into the account that you use when using ChatGPT and then open up the account settings menu, which you can find at the bottom left hand side of your screen. So click on your icon, then click on settings, and this opens up a menu. In the menu at the left side, you're going to be able to see a few options. Go ahead and click on data controls. And then near the bottom, you're going to see an option to export your data. So what this does is it's going to create a download link for you to be able to download all your personal data and your chat history with ChatGPT. So go ahead and click on confirm export, and it might ask you to verify. All that does is it sends you an email, and then you just have to copy a code from your email into the prompt that opens up. But once you've successfully verified yourself and you click on confirm export, you should receive an email just like this. So as you can see, it says right here, you recently requested a copy of your ChatGPT data, and we have started preparing your data export. So right now, it hasn't actually finished the data export, but it does take anywhere between 24 to 48 hours. So it does involve a little bit of waiting time, but other than that, it's a really easy process. So just keep an eye out on your email associated with your ChatGPT account and be a little patient. Once you've received the email, you should receive a download link inside of it. Just go ahead and click on the download link like I've mentioned, and you should have a local copy of your data. That's pretty much it for this video though. I hope I was able to teach you something new and something useful. And as always, thank you for watching.